Yeah, you've heard the hype. AI is revolutionizing the world, but here's what no one's telling you. It's not just about making money, it's about control. And if you're not careful, you'll be left behind, or worse, exploited. In the past year alone, AI has created a new wave of wealth. Entrepreneurs are using tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney to build businesses faster than ever before. But while some are getting rich, the real winners are the ones controlling the technology.
AI promises wealth and success, but at what cost? Let's look at 3 hidden dangers that no one wants to talk about. AI tools might seem like magic, but behind them are underpaid workers training these systems, labeling data, moderating content, and building the algorithms. AI-powered trading bots are dominating the stock market. But instead of leveling the playing field, they're giving insiders even more power. These tools aren't available to everyone. They're designed to benefit the elite. As AI automates everything, people are losing essential skills. What happens when you rely on a machine for everything, and the machine decides to stop working for you? The world is waking up to the dangers of AI. Here's what's making headlines right now. Actors and writers are fighting back against AI tools being used to replace them. Studios are using AI to generate scripts, voices, and even digital clones of actors without fair compensation. AI is being weaponized for scams. Fake voices, deepfake videos, and AI-written phishing emails are fooling millions. Even tech-savvy people aren't safe. Governments are using AI to track and control populations, from facial recognition to predictive policing. What starts as safety can easily become oppression. AI is here to stay. It's up to you to decide how you'll use it. Will you harness its power to create wealth and freedom? Or will you let it control you? Subscribe now to stay informed about the future of AI and how you can stay ahead in the race for wealth and freedom.